Yes. Yes, I am.
YouTube it.
Are they hugging? Oh no, they're just hugging themselves. Yeah, I heard you say Queen of the Mountain. Something like that. I said something like that. Yeah.
Alicia, stop sounding like a man.
You ripped the cord yourself? No. Whoa, they went high.
Yeah, Jen's is too. It's like beet red.
Jack is just loving it. Mr. Lovejoy is hating it for it. This song is scared to death.
Hi, honey.
Hey, that reminds me of the song Mary Beth. Or Sarah Beth. Well, kind of. She's still got one arm really, really close to Mr. Lovejoy.
We get off, we walk around. Dum, dum, dum,
Let's
dum.
go rafting.
That's kind of cool. I'm glad I get off.
We might go rafting. Oh!
Uh-uh.
We might.
I'll get it back from the
What?
I touch the water.
Take one from me when we go up. Take one from me when we go up.
Take one from wait, what? Oh, I thought you wanted that. Right there.
Come on, Cole, we gotta be here.
I got Cheetos. There you go. Where's that? No, with that, or...
Oh, I took the tall one.
Petting the dog?
I took the tall one.
It's gonna eat me. Oh, it's gonna eat me. Hello.
What do you say there, biggin? How you doing?
Watch out.
It's
Yeah.
just so weird the way they move.
He's looking for one of us to have food.
Cheeto? You're not supposed to give him
No.
anything?
Oh, oh.
Look at how it just goes. Oh my.
Y'all want something to feed him?
Yeah.
I touched him.
I haven't touched it yet.
How many crackers you got?
Their mouths are a little bit disgusting. Oh, look at it.
It's massive. There we go.
Said they won't. Oh!
Wowzer, wowzer.
Oh, come on, Shiloh. Oh, there we go. There you go, Tricia. I gave them half one. They're not gonna bite you. Go ahead and do it.
Man, his tongue can like come out 2 feet almost.
Mr. Love, did you feed it? I'm scared to feed it. Dad, don't tease it.
There you go. And he just rolls it out.
It touched you with its tongue.
You do it, big old tongue.
Its tongue, yeah.
Just put it right out there.
Come on,
Put it-
CC.
Here you go.
They were kissing.
See, look at, there we go.
Almost touched me.